Today, we're diving into a controversial chapter of scientific history that still sparks debate. Get ready for a tale of invention, competition, and one unfortunate elephant. On January 4th, 1903, a crowd gathered at Luna Park on Coney Island to witness a horrifying spectacle, the electrocution of an elephant named Topsy. But why did this happen? And what does it have to do with Thomas Edison? Let's find out. Topsy was an Asian elephant born around 1875. She worked in the four-paw circus for years, gaining a reputation for being dangerous after hurting people. When Topsy killed a man who burned her with a cigar, her owners decided she had to be put down. The park owners initially planned to hang Topsy, but the Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals stepped in, saying it was too cruel. Instead, they chose electrocution. On the day of the event, about 1,500 people came to watch. Workers attached metal plates to Topsy's feet, connected to electric lines with 6,600 volts. When they turned on the power, Topsy died in seconds. Now, you might have heard that Thomas Edison himself electrocuted Topsy, but that's not true. Edison wasn't even there that day. His company, Edison Manufacturing, only filmed the event. This film, titled Electrocuting an Elephant, became part of Edison's campaign against AC electricity. To understand why Edison's company would film such a thing, we need to go back in time to the late 19th century. This was the era of the War of the Currents, a fierce battle between Thomas Edison versus Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse. Edison backed direct current, DC, while Tesla and Westinghouse supported alternating current, AC. DC worked well for short distances, but lost power over long ranges. AC could travel further with less power loss, making it better for widespread electricity distribution. Each side tried to prove their system was safer and more efficient. Edison strongly opposed AC, claiming it was unsafe. He even invented the electric chair to show AC's lethal potential. His company staged public demonstrations to show the dangers of AC, often using animals in these displays. They shocked them with high voltage to make people think AC was too dangerous for home use. Despite Edison's efforts, AC eventually won out. Its ability to transmit power over long distances proved too valuable. Westinghouse's AC system was chosen to power the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, marking a turning point in the current war. The electrocution of Topsy sparked debates about animal welfare and shaped public perception of both Edison and the treatment of circus animals. On the 100th anniversary of Topsy's death, animal rights groups held memorials to remind people of past cruelties and promote better treatment of animals. The AC-DC war pushed new ideas in power technology. Both still matter today. Our homes use AC, while our phones and computers use DC. And ironically, the Tesla car, named after Nikola Tesla, uses DC power for storage, while the popular decorative bulbs named after Thomas Edison run on AC power. Be sure to catch our in-depth episode on the War of Currents through the in-screen link. The story of Topsy, Edison, and the current war reminds us how easily facts can be mixed up with fiction in history. It also shows how technological battles can have unexpected consequences, shaping not just our world, but our treatment of animals too. Thanks for joining us on this shocking journey through history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, stay curious.